What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom, and in this video we are going to talk about Realme Band 2, and it has been leaked and we have all the specifications about the band and when you can expect this smartphone to be launching in India and the expected price. So if you are new here, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So let's get started. So guys, the Realme Band 2 will not be same as the Realme Band, and it will be a bigger band with a 1.4 inch of a large display, and it will be a rectangular display which will not give you as good look as the watch, but it will also not feel cheap as a small capsule like band. The band will be similar to the likes of the Honor Band which has been launched in India recently. You can also find that in the link in the description below. But the band will be also having no button design with it, and you will get a traditional silicone buckle strap with this band, and it is interchangeable. The dimensions for this band are the 45.9 into 24.6 and the 12 mm of thickness. And what you also get with the tracker, which you will find, is that heart rate monitoring, SpO2 monitor, and every other thing which you expect from this band, and all the features from the original Realme band. Now this will also charge your band with the Pogo pins as their proprietary charger, as we see in these bands, and we can expect this band to be having exceptionally good standards of a sports mode, near to the 100 sports mode in this band. Now with that also, you also get a notification management, music control, remote camera shutter, and many much more features with these. Now on the band, what you also find written on this is the Dare to Leave, which is the Realme slogan, and it will be written on this band strap too. Now let's talk about the launch date of the Realme Band 2. The Realme Band 2 is expected to be launching alongside the Realme Narzo 50 series, which is on the 24th of September alongside in the Flipkart Big Billion Days sale. And for the pricing of the Realme Band 2, it will be coming near to the 3000 rupees price mark, and it will be replacing the Realme Watch, which started rupees 3000 to 4000 rupees. So if you like this video, then do not forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Phantom, hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And I'll see you in the very next one.